Hello, everyone. I am Lashana Ramroop, a final year student of the University of Guyana, pursuing my bachelor's degree in nursing. Today, I will be sharing with you one of the many procedures performed by nurses while providing patient care, and this is auscultation of the chest and lungs. What is auscultation? Auscultation is the technique of listening to sounds of the lungs and other organs with the use of a stethoscope. The image on the right is what a stethoscope looks like. The ear tips are placed in the examiner's ear, and the chest piece is used to rest on the patient's chest so that we can hear their lung sounds. Why do we listen for lung sounds? To assess their intensity, pitch, duration, and quality. And in doing so, we will be able to determine if there is any abnormality within the patient's respiratory system. Before assessing the patient's lung sound, we inform the patient of the procedure and explain what it entails. We also provide privacy and have the patient disrobe to the waist. We perform hand hygiene, then we ask the patient to slowly and deeply breathe through their mouth as we auscultate the lungs using the sequence on the right. We start at the apex of the lungs and move downwards to the base of the lungs. We compare both sides of the lungs and we listen at each point for a complete cycle of inhalation and exhalation. Then we reposition the patient as necessary to examine the other areas of the lungs. There are three normal lung sounds. Vesicular, which is heard over most of the lung fields and has a low pitch. There is bronchovesicular, heard over the main bronchus, and it has a medium pitch. We have bronchotracheal, which is heard over the trachea and has a high pitch. This is an audio of what vesicular lung sound is like. Bronchovesicular lung sound. And bronchotracheal lung sound. In summary, this is what auscultation of the chest and lungs entail. Thank you.